Ode Francis, KTN News, Nairobi.
Na wabunge wenye umri mdogo kupitia muungano wao KYPA kutoka upande wa Azimio One Kenya wamemuondoa mbunge wa Embakasi Mashariki Babu Owino na badala yake kuliweka jina la seneta mteule Hezena Lemaletian kama afisa wake, wakidai kuna mzozo uongozi unaotokota unaweza kupenyeza Kenya Kwanza na kuwagawanya. Kutokana na mkutano wa dharura uliofanyika jana usiku mtaani Karen, nyumbani kwa mbunge wa Saboti Caleb Amisi, na kuhudhuriwa na wabunge 15 akiwemo kiongozi wa wachache Mark Mwenje, timu hiyo pia ilimteua Irene Mayaka kuwa katibu mkuu wake, huku mwakilishi wa kike kaunti ya Kitui Irene Kasalu akiwa mweka hazina.
And we've come up with a lineup. We've made some changes to at least 4 seats within KYPA Azimio. And the way KYPA is set up is that we have seats that belong to Kenya Kwanza. There are seats that belong to Azimio. So the first seat, Secretary General, will have the Honorable Irene Mayaka here, who is nominated ODM. She'll be our new Secretary General. We have the Treasurer seat, the Honorable Irene Kasalu, who's our member here from Kitui, women rep. And that is from KYPA. We have also the Honorable Fatuma Jeho, who is the Wajir women rep, shall be the new vice chair of KYPA. And myself, I'm the deputy whip of Azimio. I have stepped down due to additional responsibilities. I've stepped down as the deputy secretary general, and the new deputy SG shall be the Honorable Robert Basil. That is the member for Yatta. So those are the changes that have made us meet today as an emergency meeting. And we want to make it very clear that KYPA, the changes that Azimio has done, will be traveling to Mombasa over the weekend as KYPA, and these changes are final. We've communicated all the way to the hierarchy at the top, and we'll be going to confirm this down in Mombasa. And in order for KYPA to make headway, these changes are final. We don't want any issues from Kenya Kwanza. We've finalized these changes, and this is our final list.
What I want to tell our fellow young people from Kenya Kwanza who are in KYPA is that, especially now that it is 1 year after elections, amwezi tuibia serikali na tena mkuje kutuibia viti za young people. So we want to tell them that we want to work together as young parliamentarians to set a good example to other young Kenyans out there, and that we are coming into this with a sense of a lot of respect, which we also demand from the other side, and we'll all work together.
Azimio is intact. We are a people believe, and we have shared identity, shared ideology. People with shared ideology don't take over from each other. There are only people, a confused lot like Kenya Kwanza, that people take over from them. And probably if it is a takeover, yes, the Azimio young turks are coming to take over from Kenya Kwanza.